Grabovoi concentration exercises, the 8th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day, you will learn how to exercise control while you are concentrating upon the consequences of events. Try to imagine yourself sitting by the lake, looking at a speeding motorboat. The water in front of the boat is quiet, but behind it there are waves. The waves are a consequence of the boat's movement. Let us look at a leaf growing on a tree. This leaf can also be viewed as a consequence of the existence of the tree. Clouds gather, and the first raindrops fall upon the earth. The raindrops can be seen as a consequence of the existence of the clouds. Similar examples can be found in great abundance around you. Take any phenomena and concentrate upon one of the consequences it produces. While doing this, keep your desired event in your consciousness, and it will happen. The control technique is very effective. With its help, you can also change past events. Exercise number 2 for the 8th day of the month. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 8. 9-digit sequence. 9, 8, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2, 6, 7. Exercise number 3 for the 8th day of the month. You can see that the infinite curvature of the number 8 connects within it those worlds, which you have encountered during the past 7 days. And when you connect your world with all worlds, you will become aware that you have as much joy in your soul as the world is diverse. If you perceive each particle of the world as an expression of general joy, you will see that joy is eternal, just as grace is eternal. Experiencing this general joy, you will raise your hands up to receive God's blessing, which summons you into eternity. See eternity where it is. See eternity where it is not. See eternity where it has always been, and you will become a creator of eternity where it is not present from the point of view of others. When you have seen eternity and have created it, you will be forever eternal in everything, in any eternity, and in any world. You are a creator in God's image and likeness, and eternity creates you in His image and likeness. In creating eternity, you will create yourself. By creating yourself, you create eternity, just as one eternity can create another, and as the Creator created everything at the same time.